In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stickers and sell them on Wix. First, we're going to dive into the exciting world of sticker design. You can bring your creativity to life through graphic design software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Canva, or Procreate. It's important to decide on the size, shape, and theme for your stickers, and once you've perfected your designs, export them in high-resolution formats like PNG or SVG. This ensures that your creations are crisp and clear, enhancing the appeal of your finished products. With your designs ready, head over to Wix.com and log in to your account. Once you're in, click on Edit Site to open the website where you'd like to sell your stickers. For selling actual items like stickers, you'll need to have Wix stores installed, which is specifically designed to handle physical product sales. After setting up the necessary framework, navigate to your store's management area. Click on Store Pages and proceed to the product page. Here's where your creations will come to life as offerings to your soon-to-be customers. Click on Manage Products and select Physical Product since stickers are tangible items. Here you'll enter essential details like the product name, for instance, Cute Animal Sticker Pack. You'll also want to include an enticing description that highlights the size, the number of stickers in each pack, and the materials used, whether it be vinyl, paper, or another medium. Remember, uploading high-quality images showing every detail of your stickers is key to captivating potential buyers' attention. Next, it's time to set the price and inventory for your sticker pack. Ensure you include an SKU or other inventory tracking details. If you have variations in size, colors, or pack options, be sure to set those as well for a comprehensive product listing. Of course, getting your stickers to customers means tackling shipping logistics. Hop over to the shipping and delivery section under Settings in your dashboard. Set up shipping regions, rates, and methods, including estimated delivery times and handling fees to streamline the entire process. Once your shipping details are in place, ensure you configure payment methods under Accept Payments. Activate gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or standard credit debit card options, and take a moment to test the checkout process to catch any hiccups early. After everything is set up, make your sticker product visible on your store page. Fine-tune elements like buttons, layout, and styling to match your brand's aesthetic. Preview everything to ensure it looks professional before going live. When your store is polished and ready, it's time to shout about it. Promote your stickers on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, or even on Etsy-like communities. Offering limited-time discounts or bundles can entice customers and drive sales. And don't forget to optimize your product descriptions and hashtags for improved visibility through SEO. Finally, consider these selling tips. Use appealing product images, offer bundled deals, and provide clear material and care instructions. Consider customized options for personalized orders and make use of Wix Analytics to track sales and understand customer preferences. With these steps, you're well on your way to making and selling stickers on Wix. Happy creating and selling!